Okay, let's say this one here, people. Let's say you forget the modulus in. So you take the dot product. This will just be square root of, okay, maybe I just do this slowly. This is minus 6j0 dot with 1 minus 1 minus 8. Minus 6 square plus 1 square, square root 1 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 8 square. Cosine theta. This is negative 7, right? Yeah. This is... Okay, let's say you don't put the modulus there. You can don't put the modulus there. 66 cosine theta. Just for demonstration purpose, this is minus 7 over square root 37 square root 66. So this will give us theta equals to square root cos inverse minus 7 over root 37 times 66. This will give us, let me just write it down. Yeah, this is 98.14 degrees, right? So acute angle 180 minus 98.14, which is actually 81.9. Okay, this is another alternative way of working. If they want acute, you can just open cos inverse. You get a obtuse angle using calculator. Because of this negative sign here, then you just take 180 minus the angle.